Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In this video, I will show you how to get logged into your Sportsnet Now account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know how to do it. Now before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC. Now search for snnow.ca and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you will be directly taken to its official homepage. Now from here, you will be able to see the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on that button and there you will be taken to its login page. Now, if you don't have a Sportsnet Now account or a Rogers Media profile, you can click this click here link to create a new account for you. Now, if you already have your SN Now account, then you can type in email address associated with SN Now account and then password of your account. Now, type in your email address and password correctly. If in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on this Forget Password link. Now, once you're done with typing in your credentials, tap on Next button. And once you tap on Next button, you will be successfully get logged into your Sportsnet Now account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.